SwissBorg is the official partner of my channel where you can buy, sell, hold and more importantly stake your cryptocurrencies. You can even earn yield on your stablecoins. Sign up with my link and you'll earn up to $100 worth of their native token CHSB just for depositing €50 worth of crypto. SwissBorg! Hello everybody, welcome back. Make a real quick video as we look as though this is definitely potentially the capitulation that we've all been waiting for. So I said on the Telegram about half an hour ago that if we were to look at any kind of major area of major support just based on the TA, it would be basically here. So the Bollinger Band at bottom on the weekly, and also the descending trend line of what used to be the descending triangle. So yeah, you know, at best, you know, we reached there. We've just put in a new low technically for price action in this bear market. Who would have thought it? There's so much craziness going on in this in this market. I mean, the everything bounce is definitely working out very well for everything else but crypto. It was all working out very well, but like I said, you know, it has been very weak. It took a couple of days for it to even start to take effect in this everything bounce, and the weakness has been exploited now by the FTT situation. Either way, whether or not you believe in crypto is a different story. You got to work this one out for yourself. Me personally, we have been thinking about capitulation for a very long time, whether or not we do it or not. And so now, as the market appears to be getting completely reset, and look at the state of FTT. My God, I didn't even looked at this. Wow, what a train wreck. Get rid of that. So yeah, this could be the capitulation that the market is looking for. The market being Bitcoin and everything else coming out of that. So I personally am getting some of my cash together. Looking forward to buying all those coins that I've been talking about throughout the summer. Obviously the first capitulation I bought, Algorand and Chainlink, which are still up from the buys, you know, even, you know, despite today and Bitcoin coming down to make this this new low. It might not be the case by the time I wake up tomorrow, but if it is, no big deal. And by the way, tomorrow is my birthday, so if there is anything I want, it would be some another opportunity to buy some of my favorite coins for the long haul, so I can buy, hold and stake. So yeah, I know that these sort of things you know, scare people and upset people because you're probably holding on to too much, or you're just holding on to something that's going down in value. But a true capitulation in a market is often driven by external factors, and in this case that's what's happening now. In traditional markets, you know, we had the 2008 collapse. That was mass capitulation, and from that very moment forward we basically just went on and 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 on to have basically over a 10-year bull market. So these are the sorts of things that we look for when trying to scout absolute lows. Now, catching a knife is going to be a very difficult thing to actually do, to actually achieve. You know, to catch the absolute low. Like I say, I might have been able to predict this particular low in the last hour or so, but you know, that's just based on TA. A true capitulation completely wipes the floor with TA and just basically comes crashing down to unreasonable lows, which is why I suppose, you know, leveling out all those areas that we've done, I suppose throughout the majority of this year, 16,000, 14,000, 12,000, wherever it goes to, let it be. It is what it is. It should mark an absolute low if we do see a giant capitulation dump. If we just bounce from here, then we're always going to have the fear of capitulation later on down the line. But if you're in tune with the Bitcoin 4-year market cycle, which as far as we're concerned, you know, over here is a model that's still playing out, the low should be put in for Bitcoin anywhere from September to December. And if you were to really try to pinpoint the exact sort of month it's going to happen, it would be November. And look, we're 8 days into November right now. If they're going to capitulate, you know, it could be any minute now. It could be this moment that we're looking at right this very moment in time. So don't get upset, get excited, and don't try to catch the knife, but monitor the situation over the coming days and weeks, because if we do find these extreme lows, this could be the moment that we've all been waiting for, and bull markets basically will be born out of capitulation. Anyway, I'll leave with you there. I've got to do the live stream now in 18 minutes, so I'll get this uploaded. And if you want to join me on there, there's a link in the description below for Patreon. Otherwise, just join the Telegram and have a nice evening. Take it easy.